cook the book, I'm going to make you a mushroom risotto. So without further ado, let's do risotto. In this pan here, I'm going to put some oil, butter, garlic, onions, add a little salt, pepper, some arborio rice. It lends such a creamy consistency that you don't actually have to add cheese to your risotto. And be very careful with this rice. Don't handle it, too roughly or you will break the grains. Our first cup of vegetable stock. You have to wait for the rice to absorb this. I love it. It smells awesome. The second cup. Third cup, our fifth cup of stock. So now that this is nearly done, I'm going to be adding mushrooms. So let's just get this in with some white wine. Let the flavor of the wine get into this risotto. So you can either at this point of time put in 100 grams of cheese, or then you can just leave it on the table and keep that as an option or you can keep that as an option for whosoever wants a little more cheese. This is done, ready to eat. This is so hot. I think I'm asking for trouble. Oh my god, this is so good. It's yummy. I'm also getting a face steam along.